Good morning, everybody. Happy new week in trading. We got full week this time, and there's still lots of earning going up. The most interesting thing that I'm watching is Unity U, lows can have a big effect on HD, and then we got Bidu is really important. CRM, Snowflakes, Mara, CLH, ZS. There's so many important names. So let's see what's going on. On top of that, we have the GDP and PCE. I thought the job report is coming on Friday. Friday is March 1st, but seems like it's gonna come the next week. So anyhow, futures were a little bit red. It was weak last night, but then it bounced off so far, and it's kind of flat. Expectation, in my opinion, today is flat, but then we'll see where it's gonna break out. Pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward. I like that the 1 hour MACD is golden cross. We had a little bit of a weak close on Friday, but so far we got dark blue bars on Friday on the indexes and many names on the TTMS squeeze, but the MACD is not dead cross yet. If it dead crosses, not gonna be a good sign. So if market opens and falls, the weakness is gonna continue. But I like that the 1 hour MACD is golden cross, so we'll see which direction is gonna go. Daily MACD is golden cross, weekly is still very bullish. NQ, same thing, 5 is up, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hours same like ES. Daily kind of flat, so we'll see what direction is gonna give. Weekly is still very bullish. Dow Jones, weekly, daily upward, daily MACD is golden cross. RUT, we got dark blue bar on the weekly, and daily is just directionless, it's just up and down. DXY, a little bit red pre-market. PanW, yes, I keep telling people about PanW. It's gonna probably go higher. So anyway, we'll get to that. DXY pre-market 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour all downward, daily downward. So it's all about 103,676. If we do break that one, it can help Texas squeeze up higher. TNX was very interesting. Friday was dumping. TLT was flying. 42, 45 is the key level right now. Is holding. If it breaks it and goes lower, strong. Next target is 41.68. Pre-market 30, 1 hour, 4 hour pointing down, and daily is curved down. Wicks 1% higher. Need to pass 1373 to market get a squeezy. Daily MACD is near dead cross, so it's 1373 passes. Next target is 1307, which most likely is possible to come this week. SPX kind of flat. Key levels to watch is 5098. If we do pass 5098, we're looking at 5111. 5128 is the next major level. If 5080 can hold it, next supports are 5069, 5051. BTC, um, daily, it's inside, it's still inside the range, and it's establishing a range. So whenever it breaks that range, then the big move is gonna come. But for now, just up and down in the range. ETH, same thing in the range. Apple, Apple, in general, I don't like it that the monthly MACD is dead cross. And let me just show you guys here. Let's check it out. So yeah, monthly MACD is dead cross. We got a dark blue bar. It is not a good sign. It did before back in October, but then it bounced up. But that time we had light blue bar. So we'll see if this is gonna be a serious one. Like here, it dead cross. Look, it went all the way from 156 to 124 down. So in general, there is weakness there. Pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30 is upward. If the 1 hour MACD golden cross past 183.2, then it can go for run up. 4 hour is dead crossing. So 181.13 is the key level to watch. If it does break that one, 179.51 is the next major level. In general, daily, weekly is still downward. Amazon is the first day is getting added to Dow Jones. Very bullish pre-market. Had a very strong close on Friday. Pre-market 15:30 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we got dark blue bar, so it's all about opening action. If it opens and jumps, 177.43 is the next major level. Above that, we're looking at 178, 180, 180.02. If it gets very hot, I mean, it can't go crazier. Let me just draw here. Um, so 180.2. 188.65. So yeah, if 180 passes, next target is 182, 185, and 188. Those are the next major level. It is a small chance to come this week, so we'll see. Nvidia starts showing weakness. 4 hour, we got dark blue bar. 1 hour is still downward. It's still possible does some jump up at open or some weakness. But I'm gonna show you the key levels. Key levels to watch is 798 and 789. If 798 passes, next major level is 811. Above that, those are the levels: 815, 821, 828. 789, if you can hold it, those are the next support levels. Um, it's hard to tell what's going to happen, so need to see opening action, and then we'll see what's going to happen. But in general, 1 hour is downward until the 1 hour is not 1 hour MACD is not golden cross. Don't expect a super major jump up, and the 4 hour is not until the 4 hour is not dead cross. Don't expect a crazy drop. So we'll see what action is going to give. But just in general, Nvidia is still very bullish, and every dip has a chance for possibility for a bounce up. AVGO close to all-time high, gap up opened a few points, 10 points. 1316 is the next major level. In pre-market, 515 is up, 30 MACD is golden crossing. So if it opens and jumps, 1316 is the key level. Past that one, 1334, 1358 is the next major level. Baba, nothing exciting there. Bidu earning is this week, so that could have a big effect on it. In general, daily and weekly are very bullish. 4 hour got a dead cross, so today watch is 75.37, 76.38. Those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 76.38 to 78, 79 is the next major level. Netflix, it's very wild. It opens, jumps, then it pulls back, then it makes a bottom, then it jumps again. So right now pre-market 5:15:30 is upward. So if it jumps up, 584 is a key level to watch. Above that, we're looking at 587, 591, 595. But if it fails, those are the levels to watch too. In general, 4 hours dead cross, daily no direction. It's kind of flat, but it's still very bullish and weekly. Meta, it got close to 500, but then it pulled back. And this one, every time it makes a new all-time high, it pulls back. I'm not sure if Mark Zuckerberg is still keeps selling or not, but pre-market kind of no direction. 1 hour we got a yellow bar, 4 hours dead cross, and the daily is kind of flat. So I need to pay attention to the levels. 484.3, 481.14 breaks either one can make a bigger move. It jumps up, 487 is the key for fly up to the higher level. If 481, 477 can hold it, back to the lower levels. Um, Tesla, I don't like it that somebody sold 200 called last Friday. So that means they don't expect to go over 200 by Friday. Pre-market right now 5 is down, still 15:31 hours upward. I need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross for run up. So direction is just kind of mixed signal. Daily is up, weekly is down, but we got yellow bar. So need to pay attention to the levels. 191.05, 194.014. Those are the major levels to watch. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 194, 197.31. If 191, 189 can hold it, then run down to the lower level, which is 186, 184, 183. Um, Microsoft, if there's any similar you're interested, let me know. Um, 411 need to pass. If past that one, next major is 415 and higher levels. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is upward, 1.5 same. So need to get a 1 hour MACD golden cross. If that one confirms, can go for run up. 4 hours still bullish. Google, um, Google 142 is breaking. Pre-market looking actually very weak. 15:31 hours downward, 4 hours dead cross. There's a lot of weakness there. So 142, if it can hold it, we can go down all the way to 140.62 and 139.36. Need to get above 142.67 and 5 and 15 MACD golden cross for recovery and go up again. AMD was very wild on last week. It jumped up, then it pulled back, and now it's all up to Nvidia. If Nvidia jumps up, maybe this tags along. 178 is a key level for run up to 179.28 and higher level. If past 179.28, those are the higher level: 180.23, 181.77, 183.31. But in general, right now 5:15:30 is upward. 1 hour is near golden cross. 4 hour we got dark blue bar again. As I mentioned from beginning, it is possible we have a flat day today. So 177, 176 is a support. If you can't hold it, those are the support. Those are the next support levels. Boeing had a big dump on Friday, then a jump back up. So 200 right now is holding there. It's possible to get back to 203 if it jumps up at open. We're looking at 201.78, 203.11. Pre-market right now, 5 to 4 hour, everything looking bullish. So there is a possibility to have some bounce up at open. Then we'll see if it's gonna pass or not, past 203.11 or not. SPY made a new all-time high last week. It's two key levels to watch this morning is 507.75 and 509.16. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 509, we're looking at 511, 513, 57 can hold it. We're looking at so next support is 505, 504, and 503.05. Pre-market right now, same like ES, 515.30 is upward. 4 hours near golden cross, so, near dead cross, so just gotta be a little bit cautious. QQQ. Same thing like ES and indicators, 437.79 and 436.79. It's range levels right now. Breaks either one can make a bigger move above 437.79, 439.41, 441.03. Below 436, next supports are 434, 432, and 431.55. What else? We got TLT. Not showing anything bullish pre-market. Need to pass next if it jumps up today again. I really love that the daily MACDs curved up very sharp up. So 94.98 is the next major level to watch. What else you got here? Adobe kind of flat. Need to pass 554, 559 for more run up. I like that the 4 hour is very bullish. ARM is a few points higher. 138.93. If it passes, we're looking at 141.94, 146.82. Let me just add ARM to my other screen. Coin gap up open 3 points, but this one goes for with Bitcoin. So need to pass 179, 171.15 for run up to the next levels, 174, 178, and 183. Pre-market looking very bullish at the 15:30 and 1 hour. Let me just put that one there. So what else we got here? GS tried to break out last week, but it fell, came back inside the range again. PanW, my favorite name these days, 290.41. If it opens and jumps above it, it can go easily to 293.42, 297.25. If 297 breaks, next major level is 306. As I mentioned, go back, look at the next last earning. They had a horrible, the earnings wasn't good, but they recovered and went higher and broke out and made a new all-time high. So we'll see if it's gonna do this time too. So 297.25 is the next major level. Pre-market right now, 515.30 is kind of flat. If you like, if you have a swing overnight, over the weekend, you can lock it at open if you like. But if it passed 290, next major level is 293 and 297.25. Still very bullish on the 4 hour. And yeah. So what else? You got PayPal, Qualcomm, Roku, SMCI, 10 points higher. 870, 882, those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Pre-market right now, 5 and 15 kind of a mixed signal. Need to get a 1 hour and 4 hour MACD golden cross for run up. Hard to tell what's gonna happen. So if it jumps up, 899, 928 is the next major level. If it can hold 870, 853, below that can go for lower. In general, it's still very bullish on weekly until we don't have a weekly dead cross, a weekly MACD dead cross. This one is still, there's chances for run up higher. That's pretty much it on the major names. Bidu has earning this week, so keep an eye on that one. PDD gap down open on the news. If it dumps again, 123.4 can hold it, 120.02, 114.56 is the next major level. Walmart got a split and need to draw new levels. I will let you know by tomorrow. ZS, keep an eye on that one as earning this week. That could affect PanW and CLH. Okay, PanW I went over it. Amazon same thing. My request, I got a Tesla over 194 is 197 and over 180 is 183. And BA under, yeah, BA keep an eye on 190, 198.37 and 196. If it can hold those, then 194.54, 192.17 and 190.7. Tesla, yes, if it passes 194.18, next major levels are 195.56, 197.31. and AMD need to get above 179.28. If it does that, 180, 181, 183.31. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a lovely day.